Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enter a promo code in Township. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up your Township game and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to go ahead and click on the three horizontal bars at the top of the game. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click onto the gear icon, which is settings. Now, once we're in the settings tab, look down and it will say enter promo code. So go ahead and give that a tap. Now go ahead and click on the little box here, enter the promo code to win prizes. So go ahead and put in that promo code, click for confirm. Now these promo codes are case sensitive, so make sure to put in the promo code exactly as you receive it. Then once you tap confirm, you want to go ahead and collect the reward. So if the code is valid, the reward will appear instantly in your game. Now these promo codes are sometimes given out by developers during special events, updates, or social media campaigns, so keep an eye out for them. Now these codes usually give you free rewards like coins, cash, or items.